Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong, where in 2021, there's a lot of great things going on. Today, guys, we had to say goodbye to our Leyland Cypress. One of them we had to cut down because it was extending over into the neighbor's yard and near their home. So it's bittersweet for me because this is the tree that all the neighbors come by and take pictures in front of when we have snow. So I'm going to miss this tree, but sit back and enjoy. He is up there, all the way up there and cut those limbs down. It smells good. getting up there. This is such a sad time to see one of my Christmas trees come down. This is the tree that everybody stands in front of when we get snow. I'm gonna miss my tree. We're gonna put something else there now. That's another Leyland Cypress. I love these trees. They're very shady and beautiful, and they are green all year round. But look how far up. He doesn't have much to go, but he's getting up there fast. Plus, they did my island over there, so we got some work to do over there. Well, the top of it is gone. I said the top is gone. Just a little bit. And there she lies. They got it down. Okay, guys, so the Christmas tree is now gone. It's not a Christmas tree. It is a Leyland Cypress tree, and look how tall they get. We got them when they were only about maybe 2 feet tall, and this has been over 25 years of growth. So we did cut down one of them because it was leaning over on my neighbor's yard, and we were so afraid that it was going to fall on his house, no matter how we tied it and everything. So this company did a really great job. They were on time, very thorough. Now they're cleaning up everything that they've done, and they've actually did my island too. And I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the yard once everything is all done. So yay! I miss her. It was privacy for us, but you know, hey, time goes on. We do have something that we're going to plant there. So yeah, we'll be all right. I want to thank you so very much for joining me today as we said goodbye to our Leyland Cypress tree. She's going to be missed. Please be sure to like, comment, share me out because sharing is caring. And then if you're not a friend of mine, please go down below and subscribe to my channel, and then go right next door and that notification bell so that you can be notified of my videos when they're uploaded. I want to thank you again for joining me today. See you next time. God bless you. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.